Hello friends, welcome into my WhatsApp channel. In this video guide, I will be showing you how to complete steps 1 and steps 2. If you have successfully joined this great channel, now here is your next very important steps. Open your WhatsApp. From your dashboard top menu, tap on Update, like this. You will find WhatsApp users posting on their status. These are our target audience for this project, because most of them are digital content creators, marketers, and influencers. So they are in the best niche of people who need this income opportunity and will jump into it with open arms. Your first step is to copy this short post, then tap on each of the WhatsApp user status. Tap on reply and send this short post to each user status. They will start replying you with interested. Now as soon as anyone respond to the first message and type interested, send them invitation post number 2, which contains this WhatsApp channel invite link. I will be dropping invitation post number 1 and invitation post number 2 in the WhatsApp channel, which you copy and send to all interested prospects, inviting them to join this WhatsApp channel. Now, our target for this project is for everyone to invite at least 10 to 20 WhatsApp users minimum to follow and join this channel. If everyone is doing these steps, this is the total numbers of followers we will be having in the next 48 hours to 192 hours. So, when 10 followers invite 10 WhatsApp users each to follow and join this channel, we will have 100 followers in 3 hours. When 100 followers invite 10 WhatsApp users each to follow and join this channel, we will have 1,000 followers in 12 hours. When 1,000 followers invite 10 WhatsApp users each to follow and join this channel, we will have 10,000 followers in 48 hours. When 10,000 followers invite 10 WhatsApp users each to follow and join this channel, we will have 100,000 followers in 72 hours. And when 100,000 followers invite 10 WhatsApp users each to follow and join this channel, we will have 1 million followers in 192 hours or 8 days. And that's our goal, to a viral YouTube income for every single participant in this channel. Look, there is plenty of money for everyone to make if we all work together in unity as one team, guys. Okay, now, everyone copy this post, which you will find in the WhatsApp channel, which I tagged post number 1. Go to your WhatsApp status and send it to each WhatsApp user's post by tapping on reply, then send the first post. As soon as they reply you with interested, copy post number 2 from this channel and send it to those that replied you. Keep doing this until 10 to 20 followers have joined this channel from your invitation. Alright guys, I want you to know that a lot of content creators, bloggers and influencers are currently making lots of cool money with their content using WhatsApp channels, which is a new feature recently added to the new WhatsApp version. So do not joke with this free tutorial training, as I'm about to take you by the hand to start making up to $720 per week from YouTube, running your own automated done-for-you YouTube channel. As you can see, here are examples of WhatsApp channels trending online. This person has 978,000 followers. This person has 1 million followers. This person has 1.3 million followers. This person has 1.7 million followers, while this person has 14.5 million followers. Wow. This is so insane, guys, so do not joke with any of my training steps. And do not skip any of my steps I post into the channel. Make sure you complete each of the steps. If you are stuck in the middle of a step, come to the comment section of this video guide and ask questions. I will respond to you in few minutes so you can be guided. I will be dropping steps 3 video guide as soon as we have achieved 10,000 WhatsApp followers minimum in this channel.